Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equation. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s. So that should be about e to the power of the integration. So we see that 1 over s next to y with positive sign in here. This is for integrating factor. So I will put this one go in here. And we have L and S. And this one that is about S. That means we multiply both sides by S. This one we have y. Now we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b. That's why we have number 1 in here. Multiplied by 8. The integration of this one we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one we have sy. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration bypass. So I will put about u equals to s. So we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to ds. dv that's about cosine s ds. The integration of this one we have v equals to sine s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v. So we have the integration sine s ds. So the integration of this one with the negative, we have positive cosine s, and I will put about c. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.